Huawei's phone clone system for transferring your data from your older smartphone works very well, no cables required. You're offered the option to use it when you first set up your Mate 10 Lite, but you can also come back to it at any time through Settings Advanced Settings Data Transfer. This system creates a Wi-Fi hotspot on the Mate 10 Lite, which you then connect to with your previous device through the phone clone app that you can download onto that from the Play Store. Since Wi-Fi is used, the transfer shouldn't take too long, but that's obviously dependent on how much stuff you want carried over. Before you start the process, you will get a pretty accurate estimate of how much time it will take along with how much space your transferred items will use. Huawei Mate 10 Lite Long-Term Review. You can choose to transfer everything over, or just a subset of things. It's a very flexible system that allows you to fine-tune exactly what you need. If you use Google Photos for backing up your snaps, for example, there's no point in transferring any of your images through Phone Clone because they're already in Google's cloud. Once the process completes, you may see an error as we did, but if you just ignore it you'll notice that the error itself is a bug, as everything you selected did actually make the jump. The Mate 10 Lite has managed to auto-reconnect to every Bluetooth device we've paired it with, every single time without any issue. We're talking earbuds, various speakers, and even car systems. This is commendable since we have unfortunately found that Bluetooth on Android can be a mess from this point of view, and it's extremely satisfying to find that everything just works as it should on this phone when it comes to using Bluetooth accessories. There are still flagship Android handsets that struggle with this seemingly simple process, Pixels and Note 8 included, so it's quite impressive that a mid-ranger gets things so right in this regard. With tall 18:9 screens becoming the norm even for non-flagship devices, pulling down the notification pane with your thumb without having to adjust your grip of the phone is increasingly difficult in this day and age. But on the Mate 10 Lite there's an easy solution to this problem. You can add a fourth navigation button that when pressed will do just that, bring down the notification area. It can be enabled through Settings navigation key and will show up in the rightmost position on the navigation bar.